Welcome, friends. The wounds carried by the slain lamb in the center of the throne are indications of his servitude toward humanity. Unlike the lion-like gods of the world's religions, who seek every and any form of adulation from their human cohorts, this lamb-like God seeks that which benefits humanity, even at great cost to himself. In the book Why Christ Came, 31 Meditations on the Incarnation, authors Joel R. Beek and William Boykstein isolate and highlight the 31 reasons given in Scripture that God became a man. Of course, of those 31 reasons, 26 are completely other-oriented. In other words, the benefit of his coming to earth was toward us, not himself. This makes the incarnation an act of service on God's part. God is a servant toward humanity. Godspeed, my friends.